Save our oceans. Reduce our impact. Healthy oceans. Healthy oceans are the life force of our planet. Oceans provide 97% of the Earth's habitable environments and a home to more than 700,000 species. The oceans are essential to human health as well, providing occupations, amusement, and food to billions of people. Half of the oxygen we breathe is generated by our oceans. A plastic pandemic. Unfortunately, now we have 12 million metric tons of plastic in the ocean. That's the equivalent to 1 truckload of plastic every minute. During the short video that you've watched so far, 1 truckload of plastic has been dropped into the ocean. Plastic is found on Florida beaches, uninhabited Pacific islands, and trapped in Arctic ice. Take a second and look at this picture. You'll see where plastic is actually littering the beaches of what used to be a pristine Pacific island. The natives of the island have to park their boats on top of the plastic when they come in from fishing trips. A plastic diet. Marine animals cannot tell the difference between plastic and food. Many marine birds are dying from eating plastic and blocking the absorption of nutrients. Here you can see an example. What happens, the bird is floating along on top of the water, and it sees a piece of plastic. Lots of this plastic debris is bright and colorful, similar to tropical fish. The bird mistakenly eats the plastic, thinking that it's a fish or shrimp, and then the plastic cannot be digested in the bird's stomach. The plastic stays there and actually blocks the stomach from absorbing nutrients, and the bird eventually dies. Before it dies, though, unfortunately, there's so much plastic inside the bird that it makes the bird not able to fly anymore. Same thing is happening with our fishing nets. Companies are using fishing nets that are now made out of plastic when they used to use natural fibers like hemp and coconut. Sometimes the nets get caught, they have to release them, they're torn, whatever, and they're dropped into the ocean. They're not controlled by anyone and they become ghost nets. Well, fish still get trapped in those nets, and then larger marine animals come by, eat the fish, and then get stuck themselves in the plastic nets. Decomposition rate. Take a second and look over the items shown in the photograph. How many of these items have you used today, this week, this month, your lifetime? Look at the wax carton, like a milk carton. It lasts 3 months. A plastic grocery bag can last 10 to 20 years. A disposable diaper can last 450 years. Styrofoam cups can last 50 years. And a fishing line can last 600 years. Thinking about making a message in a bottle and throwing it in the ocean? I would think differently, because glass bottles have an undetermined length of time for decomposition. Your assignment: design a solution to reduce human impact on the environment. Is it time to rethink recycling? Support your side with 5 credible sources. Provide historical and current policies. Provide facts about current problems on a global scale.